Unable to load LG TV apps, troubleshooting. Apps troubleshooting with quick help option. If the app has any issues loading, refer to the quick help section for troubleshooting it. On the remote, press Settings, All Settings and Support. And you can choose Quick Help for the check items. In check items here you can find self-diagnosis of TV settings. Click on Apps and choose the second option. Check out step-by-step troubleshooting. Network connection first. Check the network speed at 2.5 megabits per second minimum. Check your specific app in the app list and update it if necessary. And still not working the app, check your TV software. And if the latest version is available, update it. Still, if the problem persists, you can contact LG's online customer service by scanning the QR code.